Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the latest electric fat bike from a leader in e-bike innovations, Engwe. The E26 isn't just an e-bike, it's a powerhouse combining style, performance and functionality. Here what makes it so special: a robust 250 watt motor with 7 Nm torque for tackling both flat roads and steep inclines. A long-lasting battery with up to 140 km range, ideal for extended rides. 26-inch fat tires providing excellent stability and control on all terrains. A modern, streamlined design with the integrated battery for a sleek and practical look. If you are in the market for all-around electric bike, the Engwe E26 high-step model could be just perfect choice. Let's jump into the details and see what makes this model so special. The Engwe E26 bike comes packed very well in its shipping box. There was ample foam and wrappings to protect it on its journey from Engwe to me. Most of the assembly time was spent unpacking and unwrapping everything. We also received this smaller box with the bike, which contains a battery charger with associated cable, some screws, nuts and accessories that we'll use in assembling the bike. Really a bunch of tools that will help us put it all together. Pedals, more tools, bell, and finally Engwe E26 user manual. The assembly was very straightforward and the instructions were excellent. I had no issues assembling the bike. The toolkit that the Engwe supplies is the best I have used and see on a budget-friendly e-bike. And here it is. Voila! The Engwe E26 high-step e-bike model is assembled and ready for its first ride. The E26 is a really well-built e-bike, and in person it looks really impressive and powerful. The paint is phenomenal. This review bike I received was a galaxy gray color. It also comes in a yellow and a blue color options. The welds on the frame are clean and done with precision. I did not find one flaw in the paint or any issues at all with the constructions of the bike. Excellent job from Engwe company and all quality control team. With robust frame ensuring longevity, featuring a 16,069 aluminum alloy frame, it adds ultimate stability and safety to the ride on every terrain. The heart of the Engwe E26 is a 250 watt brushless motor, and it truly transforms the ride experience. Despite its seemingly modest power on paper, the motor packs an impressive 70 Nm torque, which becomes immediately noticeable as soon as you start pedaling. The motor's response feels smooth and controlled, offering a sense of stability even when accelerating quickly. It's not just about the raw power, it's about how the power is delivered seamlessly and without hesitation. This makes riding the Engwe E26 not just easy but generally fun. Shifting gears is extremely smooth, almost impeccable, as if the bike automatically adapts to your rhythm and road conditions. The E26 features a 48-volt, 16-amp-hour high-capacity removable lithium-ion battery integrated into the frame for a sleek and protected design, which means you can easily remove it, and it's also thief-proof. There is also a lock for extra security. The battery full recharge is 5 to 6 hours, making it practical for overnight or daytime charging. This e-bike ensures a remarkable 140 km range on a single charge, making it ideal for daily commutes and weekend getaways. With 5 levels of pedal assist covering up to 110 to 140 km in assist pedal mode and 50 to 80 km in full electric drive. The E26 fat bike is designed with the comfort in mind, and one of the key elements contributing to that is its wide and comfortable saddle. The saddle is well padded, offers a soft and supportive ride even on longer journeys. The saddle's design also ensures that it stays in place, providing a stable base for the rider during various terrains and conditions with a limited shock absorber in the seat post. As for the bike's carrying capacity, the Engwe E26 is built to handle substantial weight, supporting riders up to 150 kilograms. This makes it suitable for a wide range of riders. Whether you are looking to carry extra gear on your adventures or just want peace of mind that your bike can handle you without compromising performance or safety, the bike is also versatile in terms of ride height. It accommodates riders ranging from 160 to 195 centimeters in height. The E26 offers a custom feel, making it good fit for many different body types and riding preferences. When it comes to comfort, the bike comes equipped with a suspension in the front fork, is adjustable and can be completely turned off. The stroke is quite deep, which helps ensure a smooth and enjoyable riding experience while maintaining stability and control. Thick wide tires also contribute to the comfort as well as stability. Featuring 26 to 4-inch tires for stability on various terrains, the bike offers the off-road variant with fat tires, ensuring optimal performance effortlessly. The top quality of these tires provide remarkable grip on various surfaces, guaranteeing unmatched stability and control. E26 has several important elements on the steering wheel that improve control and driving comfort. The bike computer with the LCD screen in color is located in the middle of the handlebar, and its excellently illuminated display remains legible even in the dark. The speed, the battery level, the pedal assist level, the total range and the trip with the current range and the average speed are displayed. To the left of the display there is the bicycle bell, never seen on e-bike bell quite like this. In fact, it's shaped like an actual bell and sounds great. I know it's a smaller detail here, but it's nice, well made and a loud bicycle bell. Engwe nailed this better than on plenty more expensive bikes. On the right side of the handlebars we have the throttle and the pedal of the Shimano 7-speed gear shift. This transmission allows quick and easy gear changes so that the drivers can adjust the power and the speed of the ride to different terrains and gradients. With the versatile speed options, the bike effortlessly reaches a top speed of 45 km per hour using the half-ease throttle, but wait, that speed is locked at the factory to a maximum of 25 km per hour as prescribed by EU law. Of course, this restriction can also be removed. There are handles for hydraulic disc brakes on both sides of the steering wheel. Engwe has provided 180mm disc brakes and excellent hydraulic brakes. The brake levers are comfortable and very smooth in their operation. The hydraulic brakes are necessary to stop. These mammoth mechanical type brakes would not be so sufficient for this heavy and large bike. When it comes to security, Engwe really hasn't skimped on the details. E26 comes equipped with the bright LED front light which illuminates the road ahead and makes you visible from afar. Furthermore, electronic rear lights come on when the braking, providing extra visibility and safety at any time. And in addition to the lights, there are also reflectors on the pedals from behind and on the sides of the wheels, which further improve visibility from all sides. E26 also offers several additional practical features. It has front and rear metal fenders, which is great as it helps you stay clean in rainy weather or when driving on muddy surfaces. The rear luggage rack is also very practical and can carry up to 25 kilograms, so if you plan to go shopping or need extra space for your things, the carrier will definitely do the trick. The Engwe E26 is a remarkably well-rounded electric bike that checks all the right boxes for versatile and reliable ride. The excellent build quality is evident in every detail, reflecting Engwe's dedication to creating premium e-bikes that stands the test of time. Whether you are commuting through the city, exploring trails, or just enjoying a weekend ride, the E26 offers the perfect balance of comfort, power and style. With its long-range battery and fat tires for all-terrain capabilities, this bike feels like a companion built for everyday adventures. It's an e-bike designed not just to meet expectations, but to exceed them, making it a fantastic investment for anyone looking for a dependable and exciting electric bike. If you are in the market for an e-bike that combines practicality with performance, the E26 might just be the perfect match for you. Check out the official sales link provided below this video, take advantage of this current promotional pricing and grab your Engwe E26 high-step e-bike model today. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye!